Okay, so today, guys, we'll be talking about the grid line tool, the grid element. So we learn everything we need to know about the grid line tool and how to use them on our floor plan. So first of all, click on the grid line and we'll click on the wall. Okay. Now, one thing we need to know before placing the grid line on the wall is that we have to know the center of this wall. Have to know the center of this wall. And as you can see, we worked with outer face, not actually with center face. So imagine we worked with the center face. You can see we can easily locate the center of this wall. But because we've already worked with this, we can only get the edge, the outer face of this wall, not actually the center. So what do we do is I will just pick a line, then click on it using the line tool. Then I come with my grid line and I click this. I know I don't click it. I just let the marker comes out. Then I follow the straight line, the guideline. Okay. Then I tick it. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I've successfully drawn my line. And don't worry about the tag. We can change that later. So, okay, what next do I do is, okay, I want to duplicate it on all the vertical walls. So I will place my hand, okay, you can see I can see the blue mark. So this is where I'm going to click so that I can actually place it on the edge of the other walls. Okay, okay, that's the blue line. I follow the guideline out and the straight line and then I place it there. And that's it. So I've placed it on all the vertical walls and let me show you the setting I usually do on my grid line so that it doesn't actually interfere with the floor plan. Or let's place the other one on the horizontal lines before we do that. Okay, I draw this line. So click on the grid line. Okay, I can equally click it here on that center line. Click it there. Place this there. Then I can just drag this out. Okay. So I will just duplicate it, drag multiple copy. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, okay. So you can see I've successfully placed my grid lines, so I can just click on everything. Um, Let me override the graphics. You can see the floor plan, meaning everything, all the line, how the line is going to display on the floor plan is what I'm going to set here. I will click on this and I will choose this line type. Okay, and I will click on this and I will choose this line weight type. I think I will leave both sides. What does this mean? Meaning I will have to it's either I leave both side on both tag or I remove one. So let's check the one that will go off. Okay, you can see this one goes off. But if I want to use the two side, click on this. Okay, you can just check this and it will come back. Okay, so that is it. If you go to the elevation, I think it's already there. It's not showing south elevation. Okay, let me go to my setting. I need this grid line to show all. Okay. So you can see the setting we did not show on the elevation. And that is same thing. If we go to our session, same thing happens. Okay, the setting did not actually reflect on our session. We want it. And another thing is that we don't need this uh button. We only need this top tag. Okay, so I can equally just come click select everything again. Let me select the session, select session. So for me to be able to set that, I have to come to this elevation session and elevation tab. Then I also change the line type to this, also change the line weight to this. Then this is the top and this is the bottom. So definitely I will remove the bottom and I click on OK. So when I go to my elevation, you can see. Also when I go to my session, you can see the bottom is no longer there on my session, on my elevation. The bottom is no longer there also. So I can equally drag this down in case I want it closer. Okay, just okay. So that is I just break it down. Okay. So that is it. I go back and maybe I want to reduce the circle maybe because it's too big. I can just come in here. Think naming rules. Okay, this is just the normal ones here. See, I can change it later. That's not a problem. The marker, which is the text. The circle radius, which is the circle, let me change it to 7. It's already 7. Marker pen, let me change it to 1. Okay. So those are just a few things I do. This I will show you where you can use this. Okay. So you can see it has reduced, and so let's go to our 3D. We can see our grid line on the 3D. You can see. So what do I do? And if I don't want it to show on the 3D, what do I do? Okay. So I will just come, I think I will just select everything again. And you can see under the 3D tab, I will just click on this. I will check it, and I think by the time I go to my 3D, it's no longer there. But if I want it, I can just equally go back and click on it. Okay, then you can see it's back. So that's how you can off and on it on your 3D. So for me to change this to 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, what do I do? I will just simply click on this, scroll down, custom name, and I make it A. Then same thing I'm going to do B. So okay, this is already C. Then scroll down D. Okay, so I can equally change this to just this where I'm scrolling. Remember, just scroll down. Okay, 1, 2. But you can also come here, okay, setting, you can see I think this is it, all the naming rules. You can change it to TV under the setting dialog. Okay, you can see it has changed to TV. You can click this, come here, under the naming rules, you can change it to 4. There, that's it. So this is how we can make use of the grid line on our floor plan. Now if we go to our elevation, our section, everything is set there already. Let me bring this okay out. Oh no, no, no. I think the text is supposed to be the one to go up. Okay. And let me select this. Okay, select. Normally I'm supposed to also bring the grid line down. So this is it, and maybe when we want to put our dimension, let's check our automatic dimension, exterior, oh, okay, let me documents, annotation, automatic, exterior, okay. There's no room for grid line, or no room for grid line, okay. That's not a matter. Thought there's a grid line. Click, bring it out, okay. Oh, no need for grid, no room for grid line, but you can just let me take this off. But using the dimension tool, you can just easily dimension them. So that is all for the grid line. So thank you. Please, if you enjoyed this video, do like, subscribe, share, and let us know what next you want us to cover in the comment section. Thank you.